we're live.
Oh, wait, wait, wait.
Oh,
We start.
hello. We're
Yeah.
live. I'm live na sa YouTube ko. Are you live na rin sa YouTube mo?
Yes, 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 Coach. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, we're live again.
Kumusta ka naman dyan sa Thailand? Balita.
It's rainy. It's rainy every day. It's wet season already here.
Dito din, mabagyo.
Coach,
Yeah.
narinig ko yung background. Narinig, wait lang. Sorry, Coach. Nakakarinig ako ng background. Yung pala kasi kinilig ko pala yung YouTube channel ko. So there's like a background na nagpi-feedback sa akin. So anyway, yeah. Here it's already morning. So it's a wet season already here. So yeah, it's raining every day. So it's so nice and cozy to sleep. That's the vibe. And yeah, we have to fight it out. So, but yeah,
Yes.
very
So,
excited for today's
excited
session.
ako. Yeah. Ano ba? Ano bang gagawin natin today? Sorry, ano pa ako, windang pa ako kasi napuyat ako kagabi. Alam mo naman.
Hey, right? Alam naman natin na
Celebrate
birthday
tayo
ni
ng ating
Coach
birthday.
yesterday.
Yep. Wait lang ha. Maghintay lang tayo na 2 minutes. So, 11:50 start tayo. Check natin muna kung gumagana ang audio po. Rinig ba yung background music?
Hindi ko masyadong rinig.
Check natin muna. Yun, tumutunog naman na. So, ayan, hanap tayo ng mapagtitrade din today. Yan ang ating role. Yan, ating gagawin natin weekly. Maghanap tayo ng setups and at the same time, magdi-discuss tayo ng mga topics na po pwedeng makatulong sa inyo sa paghanap ng mga uh, trade entries. So, ayan, ready ka na, Coach?
Yes, of course. It's another day of our podcast, and we have a very exciting topic again for today. And yeah, I can't wait to see how we're gonna do that in the graph. And I hope that all the viewers will learn how to use this new information that we will be teaching everyone today, so that they can place their trade and earn from it. So yeah, let's start, Coach.
It's already
Are we
ready.
ready?
Yep. So, welcome back everyone sa ating podcast. So, I am Jenice and and I'm here with Coach Joana. So, today po, pag-uusapan natin yung new approach dito sa Forex trading. And alam mo kung yung topic na yon, yun nga, it's the FVG, which is the fair value gap. So, ano pa yung fair value gaps, Joanna? Fair value
Yeah,
gap.
fair fair value gap, right? Basically, it's a space kung saan the market price will just go back to that fair value gap, and that is actually a potential trade for traders. Later on, we will learn more on how to identify or how can we see where this fair value gap is. But basically, it's the gap. That's why it says fair value gap. So it's a gap that price will always go back, whether it's on the upward section or on the downside section of the market graph. Yeah, let's identify those.
And then later, guys, papakita natin sa live chart. So, let me just pull up my presentation na ginamit ko before para lang may idea sila dun sa itsura ng gap na yan para madali yung ma-identify. Give me a minute. Hindi ko na-share sa'yo to, Joanne. Few, ano lang to, konting slides. Let me share my screen. Share. Here. So, Today, pag-usapan natin yung fair value gaps at yung mga trading strategy. So, ito. Ano ba yung fair value gap? So, number one, syempre, kailangan nyo i-identify yung gaps. Tsaka, hihintayin natin yung price, na bumalik yung price doon sa gaps na yon. At, eto, basta isa-isahin natin. Ako muna. Natidistract ako doon sa sounds. So, first, guys, is we have to identify kung ano ba yung gap. Ayan, para mas makita nyo, ang gap po is yun yung nakikreate na gap from the first candle and the third candle. Kita ba? Ayan, ito yung favorite naming spotan nila, Joanna. Nung nagsisimula ako, hindi ko talaga naintindihan ano ba yung fair value gap, FVG, hindi ko alam kung kailan ako papasok. So, ito, gumawa ako ng slide to identify para makita nyo kung kailan nyo siya gagamitin, ano yung suspatan nyo sa chart. Okay, so first step is to identify the gap. Traders search for a price gap between candles on the chart, typically created by a strong price movement that leaves an uncovered space. Usually, kapag may news, nagkakaroon ng gap, masyado siyang lumipad or bumagsak, tumulo, na hindi na nagkaroon ng chance yung mga sellers to sell kasi sobrang naging bullish yung trend. Sa case na to, masyado namang naging strong yung mga sellers at yan, nagkaroon ng gap. Kaya ang nangyari, kung mapapansin nyo, binalikan niya yung gap. Nag-fill the gap. Nag-fill siya ng FVG. Price fills FVG. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nag-trade tayo ng fair value gap, tawag nito, ina-assume natin na babalikan yan yung area na yan ng market. Tapos, kagaya naman dito, di ba, nagkaroon ulit tayo ng gap and makikita mo, i-assume natin na, eto, kapag hin-highlight mo yung rectangle area na yan, babalikan po yan at dyan tayo potential na magpe-place ng sell order. Kasi nakikita natin, overall, it's a downtrend, di ba? Downtrend yung market. Tinutulungan lang tayo ng fair value gap na maka-identify, maka-spot kung saan tayo pwedeng pumuesto. It acts like as a support and resistance. So, next, number 2 is C, wait for the price return. So, after spotting the gap, traders wait for a price to revisit this area. As prices often move back to fill the gap, yun na-mention natin kanina, before continuing their trend. So, if you see na the price is on a downtrend, yan, nakita nyo, nagtatouch siya 2 times dito sa swing highs natin. And kapag nag-drawing ka ng trend line, di ba, pababa siya. So, kapag ganyan, we will only look for sell opportunity, sell signals. So, kapag may nakita kang fair value gap na pababa, ang i-trade natin dyan is bumalik po yung price dun sa FVG at dun naman tayo magsa-sell ulit. Yung iba, ang ginagawa nila, nagbabuy sila kasi ine-expect nila babalik sa fair value gap. Pwede din naman. Kaya lang, it's, risky dahil yun nga, it is a downtrend. So, para maging mas effective yung strategy, if you see a fair value gap, hindi ka magbabay kasi i-assume mo tataas yan. Ang gagawin mo, hihintayin mo pong bumalik yung presyo doon sa fair value gap na yun, tsaka ka magsasell ulit. Kasi we are assuming na magko-continue po yung trend after niyang ma-fill yung gap. Okay, so next is executing the trade. Once the price returns to the gap, traders enter a position aligned with the original movement. Ito nga. For instance, if the price was rising before the gap, they might buy, expecting an upward continuation. So, dito sa sample natin, pababa siya. Kaya ang i-expect natin na pupwesto tayo. So, kung kunwari wala pa to, nakita lang natin yung gap, hintayin natin na i-fill niya muna yung gap. Tapos, i-touch niya yung trend line na yan. Oh. Doon tayo magse-sell. Doon tayo mag-execute. Risk management po, to protect against market unpredictability, traders use risk management strategies like stop loss orders to minimize potential losses. Kasi hindi po laging ganun yung mangyayari. But, mas mataas yung chance, yung probability na ganun yung magiging movement niya after filling the gap. Most of the time, yun yung nangyayari. So later, ipapakita namin sa inyo sa chart yung actual na samples ng FVG na binabalikan talaga siya. Pero may mga FVGs din talaga na napag-iiwanan like kay gold. So kung nakita nyo kay gold mamaya, maraming fair value gaps na hindi siya nafe-feel kasi 'di ba sobrang bullish nung trend. Kaya kung nag-place ka ng sell kasi sabi mo ay meron namang naiwang FVG bababa din 'yan. So malamang malaki na yung loss mo kasi tuloy-tuloy na nagte-trend pataas si gold. Pero kapag kayo ay nakakita ng fair value gap na uptrend tapos biglang bumaba, yun yung maganda o potential na papasok tayo. So later, pakita natin. Ayan, Coach Joanna, ito. You can, ito sa fair value gap.
Okay, sure. So, how do we identify the FVG or yung failed value gaps chart? So, it is identified in a triple candle pattern. So, there should be three candles side by side, like one, two, three, all of these. And then it occurs when the large price movement creates a gap between the high of the candle, of the first candle, yung top wick ng first candle, then the low of the third candle. So yung lowest wick of the third candle. And as you see, yung middle candle, yung gap dun sa first candle and third candle, yun yung fair value gap na tinatawag. So as long as you see three same color, whether three green candles or three red candles, yeah, regardless, the gap in between the top wick and the lowest wick of the of the first candle and the third candle, then yeah, that is the gap.
Yep, so hindi siya nag-overlap. So once itong mga wick na to, nag-overlap yan. Like for example, itong dulo, yan humaba yan, ito humaba yan. Nagtagpo sila, hindi siya fair value gap. But as you can see, di ba, may rectangle na tayong na form dito nung pinlot natin yung highest nung first candle at yung lowest nung third candle. So that's the gap. Okay, napakadali lang naman niyang ispatan. And we also have indicators to spot fair value gaps sa trading view. Next, yan. How can I use the fair value gap strategy in trading? Okay, so to use the fair value gap strategy, first is to identify the gap on the chart. Hanapin nyo po yan. Then wait for the price to move back towards the gap. Na-mention natin kanina. Once it reaches the gap area, you can make a trade based on the expectation that the price will continue on the direction of the original trend. Kaya maganda kasi na chine-check nyo yung higher time frame kasi nandun talaga mo makikita yung ano ba talaga yung trend, yung direction ng price, just like sa gold. We all know that the gold is bullish talaga siya. Kaya ang saspatan mo dyan, magkaroon ng gap pag masyadong pataas, tapos hihintay ka mag-retrace, balikan niya yung gap na yun. So next is, what are the main advantages of trading with fair value gaps? Okay, so ikaw, Coach?
Okay. The main advantages include clear entry points for trades, the ability to identify market imbalances, and to support the trend continuation strategy. And effective risk management. I mean, risk management will always be there, of course,
Okay,
by
so
using your.
na-mention natin yung imbalance, lagi natin 'to name-mention. So, ano ba yung imbalance? Ano ba yung ibig sabihin 'pag may imbalance sa market? Yun, parang sobrang daming nag-sell, 'di ba? Parang kailangan niyang balikan, hindi balance. Kailangan mapagbigyan din ang mga buyers. Ganun yung ibig sabihin niyan. So, just like for this example, di ba, nagkaroon ng strong down movement, nagkaroon ng gap here. So, we're assuming na kapag po binalik niya dito, we can put a trade here. So, ayun. Sabi nga dito, support for trend continuation. Kung nakita nyo tong downtrend na to, yung gap is nakita nyo sa tatlong red candle. Ang gusto nating i-place na trade here is sell. Kasi nga downtrend. Tapos bumalik siya doon. So we're assuming na mauuntog siya at babagsak. And yung SL mo, just above your fair value gap and yung TP, dito sa ibaba. Ayan, TP1, TP2. And another sample din dito, di ba? Yan, magkaroon ng gap. Tapos, mag-place ka ng sell order po dito, yung SL mo. Basehan mo yan sa kung ano ba yung nangyayari sa price action. 'Di ba? Previously, inabot niya po yung price na to na 0.87750. So, you're assuming na malamang balikan niya yan. I mean, 0.87761. So, mapapansin nyo dito, hindi naman fix yung SL na 10 pips lang, 20 pips, 100 pips. It depends doon sa setup ng chart. Just like this, kung nag-sell ka here, mas tight yung SL mo dito. You can trade a bigger lot size. But for this setup, kung dito ka nag-sell at nakita mo may previous resistance dito, you have to adjust your stop loss above the previous high kapag sa sell ka. So, dahil mas malaki yung SL mo here, you have to adjust your lot size. Yan. Para ma-apply mo yung risk management na lagi natin tinuturo sa mga webinar, you need to compute your proper lot size based on your SL pips. So, yan, yung TP dito mas malaki kaysa dito. Kasi nga, di ba, malayo yung pinanggalingan niya. We are expecting that the price will continue to go down again dito. And the same thing din dito sa third setup, di ba, may fair value gap ulit. So, you can place your sell entry here, dito yung SL, based on the previous high, yung TP mo dito. Pwede mong palayuin. Magkaroon ka ng runner. So, what are the potential risks of using the fair value gap strategy? Syempre, pwedeng meron tayong false signals. Hindi naman kasi laging yun yung mangyayari. Price does not return to the gap or does not move as expected. And the need for patience as waiting for the price to fill the gap could take time. Minsan nakakatamad. Gusto mo na agad sunggaban yung trade, pasukan. Hindi mo hinintay to fill the gap. Pati ba, Coach Joanna, sila Obits, kailangan niya talaga. Hihintayin niya yung mag-fill the gap. Mag-fill yung pati yung ano yun, yung weak. So yun, weak fill, fair value gap. Lagi natin naririnig yan sa mga live sessions. So you need to have patience for that. And the strategy may be less reliable in certain market conditions. Lalo na nga, yun nga, na-mention ko, kagaya kay gold. Lagi yan may fair value gap. Minsan nakala mo babalikan pero hindi. So, yun. Can fair value gaps be used in any market? So, yes, fair value gaps can be applied to various markets, including stocks, Forex, index, pati binary options, diba? Crypto, commodities. However, effectiveness of the strategy may vary depending po sa market conditions and the assets being traded. Lalo na kapag masyadong volatile. So, ayun naman. Ikaw, how can I enhance my use of fair value gaps in trading? Okay, so to enhance your use of fair value gaps, consider using technical analysis tools and indicators that help identify more gaps accurately. Meron tayo yan sa trading view. Pakita ko later. Si Coach Joanna mag-share later. Additionally, combining this strategy with other analysis techniques and maintaining disciplined risk management practices can improve your trading outcomes. Kaya, practicein nyo mang-spot ng fair value gaps. Malaking tulong siya. Nung natutunan ko to na nakatulong din siya kahit sa scalping eh. Pero mas effective to sa day trading. Okay, so iyon. In conclusion, the fair value gaps are more than just a tool. It's a lens through which traders can view and interpret market dynamics. So by understanding and utilizing this, traders can align themselves with more strategic, informed trading decisions, tapping into the potential Forex market. So yun lang ang aking slide. And then, Coach Joanna, pwede ka mag-share ng screen mo. Exit lang ako saglit dahil yung anak ko ay may hinahanap lang. Allow ko lang yung share screen. Alam mo naman, gugulo na naman yung ating anak. Share. Yes. You can show them po yung mga sample fair value gaps. Wait lang guys ah.
Just give me a moment. Okay, let me just try to share my screen. Oh no, I have my... Teka lang, coach. Mukhang malilito ang mga tao sa aking trading view. So, basically, you have to go here. Let's just go to trading view. So, ganito yung nature ng trading view natin. Just hold on. Let's just make it dark. Okay. So, let's just go to gold kasi ako ay gold trader. So, we can go here and based on the indicator, you have all your time frame here. So, you can either go for, basically I go for days, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 10, 5, and 1. Yeah. So, indicator for fair value gap. Normally, I use this fair value gap by Luxalco. So if I click this, what this indicator does is actually to find the fair value gap for you. Ah, I need to log in. Just give me a moment, coach. Okay, let me just log in using my main trading view account. It will be a lot. So fair value gap, when you activate the indicator for fair value gap, then it's just basically will highlight those area na merong fair value gap. And those fair value gap will also depends on which time frame you're looking. So for example, if you're looking for a day time frame, then oh no, let me just go ahead and try to delete everything here para naman hindi sila malito. Oh no. Okay. I have to do the TA once again. Okay. So yeah, this is the graph. So it depends on what asset or what currency you're trading in. So we're gonna doing with gold. And yeah, for the day time frame, as you see earlier, the fair value gap is the gap between the first top week of the first candle and the lowest wick of the third candle. So the gap, as long as they don't overlap, then that is the gap. And with using the indicator or without the indicator, you can identify it. You can identify it that way. Or with the indicator, then the indicator will highlight this gap. And this, as what Coach Jenice said, this is how you see a potential trade and the when you go for a high time frame, your fair value gap is stronger than your lower time frame. So let's say, for example, this fair value gap here is stronger than the lower time frame fair value gap. So we are thinking that if in case it go down, then this is a potential buy, which is this area, 2705, because it's a fair value gap. Normally, personally, I do 50% of the fair value gap. You have the 0, 50, and 100%. So you can test out how market reacts when those levels are being tapped. So yeah, normally you go like this, and then as I mentioned, those fair value gap, the indicator will tell you automatically where those fair value gaps are, depending on your time frame. So like this one, as you see, if you look at it, just right now, you notice that when the price tap, let me just maximize this out. When the price tap the 0% level of the fair value gap, you see a reaction. Wait, let's just try to, yeah. So this is 50%, and you see this is the 0%. And after the price tap that 0%, you see that there is a reaction. That is the 4 hour. This is a 4 hour fair value gap. So let's see if you go down again to 1 hour, you see that in that line, there's a lot of support. So, and you see there are more smaller fair value gap as well. And again, there's another fair value gap here. And if you look at it, after it tapped 50%, the price reacts and now it's starting to go up again. So this is what Coach Janice is saying, that first you identify the overall trend of gold, which is, if you zoom out, you would see it's bullish. It's just going up. It creates higher highs and higher lows, right? So it's a bullish trend. So your bias will be buys. And after you identify the overall trend, then you look for where's the dip or where is your potential buy is. And if you look at where is your potential buy, you can use the one that we are teaching you today, which is the fair value gap. So in the fair value gap, look at it. If you see under the 1 hour time frame, this week here is there's a very strong reaction on this line, 2748 line. And if you look at it, there's this line, there's always a reaction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and another one, 5. So it's a good line that you can consider for a potential buy. Actually, but we missed it. We missed it already. It passed. The line passed that already. But for you to know where can I potentially buy more, right? Then you further go down by timeline and you further check. Will it go down here again? Probably not, because you have an order block here. We will discuss about order block again this time, but yeah, right now where our focus is the fair value gap. So as you see, there's a gap here. So there could be a potential. There's a potential that the market price will go down in this fair value gap here. It's just a matter of when it will happen. And as for when, it depends on the market movement, the TA that you're doing, the fundamentals, maybe news as well, or what's happening in the world. Those are things that can make the price move, right? So yeah, these are all the FVGs. FVGs is just one confluence. I mean, market trend is another one that would tell you what will be your biases, and FVGs is another one. But there is a lot more that you need to add up aside from fair value gap that will give you a higher chance of making your trade a high probability trade, or meaning it's a good trade where you will snipe exactly how the price will react. So maybe do you want to tap this also? Let's just see how the price will react on this line. But anyway, let's just go down a little bit more. There's an FVG on that line. This one also created another FVG. So if you notice, the lower the time frame is, you would see more and more FVG, and more FVG means the price is very volatile, and that's the reason why there's a gap or imbalances that's being left behind when the price moves suddenly going up like this. But you know gold, if you're trading gold, gold will return back to it. You just need to wait and make sure that you have enough capital to wait, right? That's the reason why Coach also mentioned that it's very important for risk management. So yeah, this is all the example of fair value gap. You can either identify it with or without indicators. If you want the indicators, let's just go back again to that. And that is fair value gap. Yeah, this one is the one that I'm using personally. You can also try to use these, and yeah, it would highlight those fair value gaps. And for you to know which of this, let's say you have three fair value gap, coach, then how? right? As a beginner, if I see a lot of fair value gap, yeah, and you said that it's a potential buy, then how would I know all of these here, which is a good entry for me?
So, pag may nagspatan tayo ng fair value gaps, we can combine it dun sa another support and resistance. So, mas mataas yung chance na uh, tama yung strategy mo or yung winning rate mo kapag it is close to the support or resistance. So, sa setup na to, instead of buying sa area dyan sa may around 2753, mas mataas yung chance ako magbabay ako around dito sa nearest support, yang around dyan sa hinighlightan ni Joanna. So, kung magsa-scalp ka, this is a 5-minute time frame. Kung scalper ka, pwede kang mag-abang dyan sa may 2751, which is actually, di ba, ano na nga siya, tapos na yung setup na yan. Usually, kapag may fair value gap, ang pwede mong i-expect na entry point is the 50%. Kung gusto mong zero, mas mataas yung reward nun. Pero usually, it bounces sa 50%. Just like, ayan, yung ginuguhitan ni Coach Joanna, di ba? Kung nakakita tayo ng gap, nung nag-close po yung third candle, yung pangatlong green candle na yan, tapos nakakita pa tayo ng red candle yung sa susunod, so we are assuming na okay, papasok na siya sa fair value gap. Pwede akong mag-scalp, mag-place ng order dito sa 50%. And then yung SL mo, so sa baba ng support level which is 2748. So kung diyan ka nakalagay ng SL tapos nakapasok ka dyan sa 2751.145, meron ka ng running profit. And yung next na TP mo is pwede mong gamitin yung fair value gap. Ayan yung red, nakita niyo yung fair value gap sa taas around 2754. Yan naman yung potential na pwede mong exit point. Kasi we are assuming na after filling that gap, pwedeng bumaba na naman. Ganun lang siya, di ba? Nauuntog, pagka-fill ng gap, babalik naman siya. So, yun. Yun yung
And maybe, Coach, I also want to capitalize here. Which of these fair value gap is a good trade for you? Actually, all of it is a good trade. It's just a matter of how big your risk is. Just look at this. If you go for a buy and you go on this gap here, and you look for a longest week, then the first trade it should be here, and maybe you go up. But in here, you have a very wait here, right? We go 50% on this level. Look at how big your red area is or your SL. Because in this, right, if you put your SL on this green area here, the chances of your SL to hit is very high. This is not a very good area for you to put your SL. So meaning if you want to enter on first fair value gap at 50%, your SL will be very far. And amazingly, the risk reward ratio or the one that you are the potential loss is way bigger than your potential buy. Just an example here. How would you know up until where you put your buy? It depends on up until where the current price is. And as you see, right, whenever the price go to the resistance line, if it's the first time that it hit that line, definitely the price will bounce off. And meaning it will react that and it would just go down. So there is that less chance that price will pass that line. So just imagine if you put your buy position or buy trade on the first fair value gap, your risk is so high. If you have a lot of capital, then yeah, you can do so. What about if you do the second one? The second one is again way better than the first one, of course, because your red area or your SLE is a little bit smaller, right? Meaning your risk of losing money. If let's say we identify that the first trade you can lose $30, then let's say you can lose $20 on the second one. So meaning patience is the key on this. So and then if you have another one, so let's say, yeah, I don't have much capital, it's a potential trade, but let me just go buy on this one. And that's the reason why that will help you to decide which of these fair value gap you can trade based on your capital. If you look at these three fair value gap here, if it's me, I go for a third one. You don't need to raise or start looking for the first one unless you have a very good capital because the risk is so high. As you see, the red area is very big, meaning your potential loss is so huge as well. Yeah. And as you see, you will have, if you are not good at psychology or your heart is not strong enough yet, coach, entering on the first one, look at it, you are already in a, not yet in a drawdown. We're going right. So let's look how it is right now. You enter 50% right there. So you're in profit right now. If you're scalping, which is good already, you don't need to wait too much. But if you are not into scalping, as you see, it just the price is still reacting on this level. So we enter on this one, right? And it passed. So you are in a drawdown right now. You're negative as of the moment because it passed that line. Now your negative is way bigger and it's getting bigger. So just imagine, coach, if you enter the buy trade right now, from your entry point of 27.53, it's already on 27.53 still. But you are already in drawdown few pips because of 0.72 minus 0.25. So your drawdown of 0.50 pips already for this, right?
Yep.
And this is 5 minute trade, so you still have 1 minute to go. And let's just see up until where it will reach. Now it reached on almost reaching our
Second.
50% of the second fair value gap. So meaning I could have waited for the second fair value gap,
Yep.
right? Because that way I don't need to see my account having negative right now, coach. You look at it, if you enter on the first trade, you're in negative right now. And if you're looking on the second trade, not yet, you're just waiting for it to tap. And you still have 51 seconds for your first 5 minute candle to close. So it can reach your 50% of your second fair value gap here. So if it's me, it depends on my capital, as you see, right? Or it depends on how much patience you have. So yeah, if this red candle, oh, it tapped already, coach. So my second order is already activated. If you look at it, and now my second order is in profit, actually. Oh, not yet. So now my second one is just going up and down 0.6, 0.2, negative 0.3, like this only. But my first trade is definitely in drawdown already of from 253 to 251. So 10 pips already down. And and that's the reason why, I mean, if you're a beginner, then this is one point for you to identify which out of the fair value gap will I enter the trade, depending on how your risk management is, your capital, and the price that in case you will be losing in case you open the trade. And right now, of course, first trade is in drawdown, third trade is still not activated yet, but the second trade is active and it's in positive right now because you're above your entry. And yeah, so that's why it's a good strategy for you to know which of the succeeding, I mean, if you have three side by side fair value gap, which one?
And for the scalpers, dagdag ko din, yung nakita nating fair value gap na sa sell side naman, can you plot yung potential entry dyan? Makikita nyo, we have a running profit na. Di ba, as I've mentioned kanina, kapag nakita ka ng fair value gap na pababaan naman, 'di ba, kapag nakita mo na downtrend, sell yung hinihintay natin dito, and we should wait for the price to go back to that gap to fill that yan. Yung fair value gap na pa-sell. So, meron na tayong running profit. However, sa higher time frame, medyo kontra yung yung trend, 'di ba? Kasi gold is on an uptrend. But since right now nasa M5 tayo, yun. Um, can you zoom out din po?
Sorry, coach.
Zoom out nga. Patingin nga anong trend ba, anong trend sa lower time frame ngayon. O yan. So, kita nyo, sa isang glance lang, we are on an uptrend. It's forming higher lows and higher highs. So, the risk of losing sa trade na to is high. Although nakita nyo, di ba, kanina bumagsak naman talaga yung price after reaching that fair value gap. Kaya lang, nakita nyo, dahil mas maraming fair value gaps na sa pa-bullish, mas maraming green fair value gaps, nag-bounce siya dun sa itong 275, 2752. So, yun. Nagre-reversal na siya. Madali siya mag-bounce. So, kung gusto nyo i-trade yan, um, mag-sell ka dyan sa gap na yan sa tuktok. Make sure, ano lang, imposible kasi na ma-reach yung ibaba eh. Kasi masyadong maraming gap. Pero yun lang. Yan yung sample scenario ng mga ginagawa ng mga scalpers. Kaya lang yung ganyan nga, less chance na tama yung set. But yun, nakascalp ka na for ilang pips din yun if tinrade mo.
Mataas na siya, 53 to 54. So you're already winning 20 pips right now. 20 pips, imagine. 20 pips already. So this is a good scalp already.
So, yan.
Yeah, and ngayon pa lang nakakabawi yung first trade natin. Yung first trade natin is just a little bit, not even $1 in profit right now, but it's already in profit. But you would see that the first trade you would see more of a drawdown first, but you need to be patient. That's the reason why you need to plan your trade, because if you don't understand that you enter on the first fair value gap and you did not expect that it would reach the second fair value gap, and let's say you don't have that much capital to allow yourself to lose that much pips, right? And you put your SL just really near that line or maybe before that line because you're only allowed to lose, let's say, $5 or $2, then basically you just open a trade to lose because definitely the price will reach that SL and take you out of your trade. So right now, if you still look at our current trade, your first trade is just barely break even, still on the entry point, but you are positive on your second trade. So yeah, this is how you can use fair value gap as a potential uh, entry point for your trades. So yeah, our first trade again is still on a drawdown, but we are positive on the second trade.
Yep. So, nagkakaroon na kayo ngayon ng idea, no, how the price reacts when it reaches the fair value gap levels. 'Di ba? Ilang beses na uuntog or nagba-bounce yung price kapag nandun siya sa fair value gap area na. So, pwede tayo mag-backtest. We can show them how to backtest kung effective ba talaga yung ganitong strategy. So, how to backtest. So, while waiting kung alin yung mga unang mahit dyan, yan, you can move the price, yan, pwede ka mag-replay. Kapag free, di ba pwede rin naman sila mag-replay ng chart? Pero limited lang, ano? But kapag naka-premium ka, pwede mong i-replay yung chart. Yung as if hindi mo alam yung nangyayari. You can go to the higher time frame, tapos na-try mo na ba yun?
Replay.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, but I don't, wait, kailangan kong mag-refresh
So
nito.
next,
Nawala.
maybe next podcast, I can show you guys how to backtest, record sa journal, using trading view. Yung replay, sa taas, may nakikita kang replay button. Yan, yan.
Yeah.
Kaya lang may preview sila. So, pag kinlik mo kasi yung replay, ayan. Sa higher time frame, sa daily para malayo yung i-replay natin. Yan. So, ibig sabihin yan, puputulin mo yung yung chart para wala kang idea kung ano yung mangyayari. And then you can backtest your strategy na sinusubukan. You can use the fair value gap strategy, supporting resistance strategy, harmonic patterns, moving average crossovers, RSI, MACD, napakaraming strategies available. So, para ma-identify mo alin yung pinaka-effective sa'yo, you can backtest. And how to backtest yun? Ganito siya.
Ayan.
Play ka. Putulin mo siya ngayon. Cut. And then, yun. Hindi mo na alam kung ano yung mangyayari sa susunod. And then you can do analysis, go to the lower time frames, tapos sa baba, may button dyan. Lower yan. Pwede mong i-adjust yung bilis, yung speed na yan. So, pag kinlik mo yung play button, yan, tingnan natin, observe natin kung paano nagre-react sa fair value gap. So, yun, oh. So, pag ganyan, pwede mo i-pause, i-record, like, i-assume mo if ano ba yung mangyayari. You can plot your entries, like, yung pinakita ni Coach Joanna kanina, yung short tsaka long positions, pwede mong i-plot. Kunwari, ganyan, nakakita ka ng gap, i-pause mo.
Nakapos.
So, pwede kang bumaba sa lower time frame, kunwari, 1 hour, 15 minutes, ganun. Tapos, yun, pwede tayo mag-play and then hanap tayo ng setup ng mga fair value gaps. Tapos, tingnan natin kung paano ba siya magre-react. So, kapag gusto mong mas mabilis yung speed, pwede mong i-adjust dito. Ayan, maraming gaps. So, pwede tayo mag-plot dyan. Pag nakita tayo ng ganyang scenario, you can backtest. Tignan, i-check mo kung nag improve na ba yung iyong pag-a-analyze. So, you don't have to trade real money. By just plotting it sa chart, use the long position, tsaka short position. Ayan, i-plot mo yung mga natutunan mo, yung mga 50% ng fair value gap, saan ba maganda yung entry point. Kahit hindi ka magte-trade sa real trading platform, pwede ka na mag-practice ng technical analysis. So, yun yung advisable na sa mga newbies, it's better to plan your trade, plot your entries. Pwede mong lagyan ng yung long position. Ay, ito, na siya, nag-bounce, di ba? Na-feel na niya yung gap. Done na dito. And let's see. Yan, tipihit na siya actually. So, hanap tayo ng next setup. So, pwede mo So, may mga time na hindi na binabalikan yung mga gaps na yan kasi masyadong nagte-trend yung gold. Pero at least meron tayong mga nakaabang na potential na scenario. So, na-feel na niya yung gap after bouncing dun sa 50%. Ayan. Ayan, may bagong gap na naman. Pwede tayo mag-plot dyan doon sa second gap. O yun, natipihit na ulit. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Ayan, dyan. Sa gap na yan, pwede tayo maglagay ng trade.
Which
Kasi,
one, coach?
ayan, yung pinakataas. Kasi di ba nakita natin na nagte-trend na talaga, tapos biglang bumuhos. And we are expecting that the price will continue to go higher because talaga, overall, bullish si gold. And we want to trade sa mga pullback. Pag mag-pullback sila, bumalik sila, binalikan nila yung gap. They fill the gap. So, yan, tingnan natin. Yung SL, saan ba maganda? Siguro yung SL natin below the previous low. Ayun. Tapos, ayan. Let's see. Tapos, pe-play mo siya. And then, check natin kung alin ang makikit. Yung SL ba? Or yung TP? So, waiting game lang siya.
Oh, wait lang. Before we continue, this is the reason why you should know where you will put your SL. If you look at this, right? Let me highlight this point. This one, it reached that because this one don't have a wick, but it just this is the lowest so far. So that's the reason why you need to understand where is the right place to put this SL para hindi ka ma-out sa trade right away. Okay, let's continue.
Oops. Ayan.
Okay, SL hit ka.
Hit
Bakit
tayo.
kaya ka na hit? You have to understand because we said that FVG attracts the price.
Mhm.
And if you look at this, there's an FVG below and it hit the 50% of the second FVG. Actually, if you notice earlier, coach,
Yep.
yung una kong long position, if you remember, I put my second trade here. This
Yep.
is where I put my second trade. So if
Na,
you enter on the first trade earlier with coach, nag-positive ka naman na there's a lot of, profits already here and there. But if you're into the long type of trading, right now you are break even and now this is the only time that I'm coming in on the second FVG. So I don't have the first FVG, I don't have that risk and I don't have the current drawdown, but my trades now activated on the second FVG and my SL is actually on this side. And my now if you look at this, I have a very big reward ratio.
yep. So, singit na lang din natin yung how to compute the SL. So, through these setups, makita nila kung ano yung proper na position size based dyan sa pag nasukat mo na yung SL. And by the way, na-mention ni Coach Juana na, di ba mas maganda yung set nito, yung sa second? Yep.
Sorry, coach. I just want to highlight this. You see,
Yep.
if you know where to enter, or if you're patient to know where to enter, if since I told you, right, I enter on the second trade, 70. Oh my God, how many pips I have? What, coach? Look at this, 24.70 to 25.25, right?
Yep.
So how many hundred pips? Every 100 pips, if your volume is 0.1 for a standard lot size, you already win $10. Also, meaning if you now let's just put a value here so everyone will understand how good is this. 25.25 minus mo yung 24.17 equals nakakalik. Bobo sa math. Okay, let's wait
Eh,
na.
sukat mo na lang yung calculator. Yung ruler dyan, may ruler dyan.
Times. Oh, ay, sorry. Kasi hindi ako naggagan coach eh. Imagine, nakaka-almost 150 pips na ako. Ganyan ako magupit niyan. Actually, 550 pips. Times mo ngayon, every 100 pips, meron kang 100 pips gold, meron kang 10 if your volume is 0.01. Oh, kumaling ako sa math bigla. O, di ba? So, kung naman nagkataon, meron ng magkano na ang panalo mo dyan? 55. 55 USD just for
Ay,
the
ano lot size mo ba dyan? 0.01.
01. 01 lang. Imagine 01 ko, doon ako sa enter ko, doon straight ko, wala pang drawdown, hindi pa nakita ang aking,
$55 ka na.
naka $55 na ako. And this is just if in case I am on 0.01. Imagine if I'm on 0.02, then if you're already earning 55 USD in 0.0, then 0.02, dodoblehin mo lang yan. Meron ka ng 100 USD. 110 USD.
Point 10. Pag
Ay,
point
sorry,
10
sorry, sorry,
man,
sorry.
pag point 10 yung lot size nila.
Wow, mayaman ka na nun, coach.
Wow. Diba? Sige, pakita mo.
In short, coach, mayam ka na nun.
Ikaw ay may
Ay,
1,000,
ay,
550, o, diba?
oh, di ba? Syempre mali yung capital mo pag 0.01 na. Pero kung tayo-tayo lang, 0.01, 0.02, dito sa 0.02 mo, normally pag naka-increase na ng 100 pips, you can do partial already and let the rest. So, let's just continue and see how much money I'm getting right now, coach.
Ay, wait
If I
lang.
end
Address mo lang dun sa isa. Meron lang ako i-discuss yan. So, kung bakit siya nag-fail yung setup na yun, back mo ba? So, yung setup nito, bakit siya nag-fail? Kasi yung SL mo masyadong tight. Kasi nakita natin na may mga previous fair value gaps pa. And as we've mentioned, na posibleng balikan yung mga gaps na yan. So, kapag ipi-place mo yung trade na to, yung SL mo, pwede mong layuan below nung mga previous gaps. Sige, babaan mo.
laki na
Kunwari,
yung bid. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina ng bid. If you look at how, this is
yan.
why you should know where to enter.
Yep.
Kasi
What?
you would see how patient pays off actually, coach. If
Yep.
you feel that, oh, I want to enter now because you are afraid to be left out, na wala akong trade, maiwanan ako, ganyan, then yeah, you can enter the trade, but you have to make sure that you have proper,
Yes, ma'am.
you should not put your SL just because you're only willing to lose $5, no, or
Yep.
$10. No, you should put your SL where it makes sense.
Mm-mm.
And makes sense is here, actually.
I-highlight ko lang yung sinabi ni Coach Joanna, guys. So, hindi yung SL yung mag-a-adjust dun sa risk mo. Hindi porket ang willing to risk ko is $5. So, ano lang ako,
Dito
ilang
ka
pips.
lang, dito
Diyan
ka
ka.
lang pupunta, one ka lang pupunta, which is
Ang
maganda
risk ko
kagad.
is $1 lang. So, 10 pips lang ako kasi $1 lang. Ay, imagine, nakaspot ka ng trade sa H1 time frame. Tapos nag-SL ka ng 10 pips kasi gusto mo $1 lang ang talo mo. Pero 'di ba nakita mo maraming mga kaganapan. Maraming pwedeng tawag dun, puntahan
Yeah.
muna yung market bago siya maging bullish. Maaaring tama yung analysis mo. It's good to buy. Kaya lang, alam natin na sa trading, nagkakaroon ng pullback, retracement, kailangan huminga ng presyo. Kailangan niyang i-fill yung gaps, yung mga imbalance, saka siya magko-continue sa bullish trend. So, it is very important to know ilan po yung SL pips nung setup mo. Kaya maganda guys na pinaplot natin yung ating setups sa chart. So usually ang mga newbies, and I am guilty sa ganyan, matagal bago ako natuto na ganyan yung charting. Kasi gusto ko lang pumasok lang sa trade eh. Scalping, 'di ba? Lahat yata ng traders nagdaan sa ganun. Yung phone ka lang magte-trade, 'di ba? Excited tayong pumasok kasi we know na with just few seconds pwede tayong kumita. But yun nga. Ito yung pinapakita namin sa inyo, the advantage of charting, finding yung fair value gaps, supporting resistance, plan your trade, compute your SL, yan yung mga basic pero napaka-importanting skills na dapat yung tutukan bago kayo mag-trade sa live account. So, yan.
Speak, sorry, coach. Speaking of mag-compute ng SL, we computed yung potential natin. Let's compute this red area. This is 270 minus how much is it? 240. So, compute din natin para makita mo talaga kung magkano talaga yung nire-risk mo sa 0.01 lang na. So, for example, your entry is 2470 minus mo ngayon to. Ang kailan to? Nasa 2442.
Tamad kasi ako
Equal,
compute eh. Kaya ako, pakita mo mama yung simpler method.
para sa akin ito rin simple eh.
Ay,
Ayan, ganyan
ka pa dyan eh.
talaga ba? Oh, so ibig sabihin nito
Pero maganda
nasa
yung ganyan para wala ka sa chart, mano-mano. Pero para sa mga tamad mag-compute, may shortcut way. Pakita ko sa iyo. Pakita natin later.
ayan yun.
Yan.
Click mo to.
I-highlight
Settings.
mo yun dyan. Yan. Pagka-highlight mo,
Mm.
may kita mo sa baba, di ba? Sige, yan. Yung 2531.8, yan yung points. 2,531 points or 253 pips. So, yeah, kapag sinubtract mo mano-mano, sige nga.
Ay, ano ba? 2, 5, 2, 5, 31.
Kumbaga, pag hinighlight mo yan guys, tatanggalin nyo yung huli kasi yung value na dinidisplay dyan is the points. 2531 points. So, gets niyo ba? Para sa katamad mag-compute, pag hinighlight niyo yung red,
1,000, lot price. Entry, stop loss. Complicated. Anyway, coach, ano gusto mo mangyari ulit? Sorry. Kasi
yes,
ganito ko siya ginagawa.
i-check natin mano-mano at saka yung naka-compute na automatic. Kasi sa'yo 280 pero kapag hinighlight mo 253 kasi, tingnan.
Hinay Actually, kasi minus ko siya dito sa 2442. Pag nabago tong value mo, mababago din yan actually.
Ayan, double click mo siya, double click. May kita
Okay.
mo guys dito yung profit level para makuha mo yung actual price. Yan, 2.5. Iparehas mo dun sa entry na nilagay mo. Yan, edit mo yan, yung profit level, tsaka SL, tsaka yung entry level. Gawin mo whole number para mas madaling maintindihan.
Saan
Yan
yung
yung
entry price?
yan. Tapos si profit level, tsaka sa stop level, gawin mo whole number. Ay, mali. Sa baba, sa price. Na,
Ah,
edit mo siya sa ticks. Doon mo siya i-edit sa, yan,
okay. Wait.
ulit.
Sorry, wait. Ulitin natin. Sorry. Ay,
Ulit.
ay, ay, ay.
Ayan, yung price,
Okay.
sa price ka mag-e-edit ng data.
Okay.
Yung profit level yan. Tapos yung entry price to 470. I-whole number mo na lang. Ayan. Yan. So, click OK. Yan. So, nakita nyo, yung computation niya, naging 2,800 points or 280 pips. So, ganito, kapag gusto nyo via, yung may measurement tool ka, pero kapag mano-mano, basing it on the entry price, saka SL price or TP price, ganyan po mag-compute ng SL. Gets
Ako
ba?
paano coach? Kasi para sa akin mabilis lang siya pag ganyan ni. So, ganyan na. Times mo lang sa 10, tapos 280 pips. Ibig sabihin, kada 100 pips, pag volume mo 0.1, meaning 10 USD. So, meron kang negative 28 USD sa setup number 2 natin, actually. Pero di ba nandito tayo kanina? Imagine. Samantala kapag doon ka sa first trade, definitely it's more than 28 USD. And now you will ask, are you willing to risk that big money? Because here, definitely it's not 28 USD. Let's calculate this. 2506 minus mo yung 24. Ganun ulit. 2506 minus 2442 equals, wait, 2506 minus 2442. 64. 64. 640 pips. So dito, ibig sabihin dito, your potential loss will be 64. Negative 64 USD. Ito, dito, negative 28 USD. Sa 0.01. Just imagine, 0.01. Ito cost 0.01 din. 0.01. O, di ba? Ngayon, pag nag-ano ka ngayon, 2128. The 0.02.
Yeah.
Kasi usually, di ba? Usually, tayo, gagawin natin dyan pa nga. Minsan, kapag trigger happy ka, dami mong 01, coach.
Oo, yan. Gulat sila, sunod na.
Sunod kang 01, so imagine, nag-enter ka dyan at sa dami mong 01. Or,
Sabihin,
di,
nangopya lang naman ako sa signal provider. Nag-0.01 lang naman ako. Which is nagulat sila, di nila alam kasi yung value, ilan yung SL pips. So, tip lang guys, the first step before entering the trade, you have to know ilang SL pips at ano yung value nun pag na-hit yung SL. Para hindi masakit sa bulsa, sa mata, sa isip, make sure to trade based on your risk management. How much are you willing to lose per trade? Yung iba, 10%, yung iba, 5%. Pero ang conservative at ang ideal sa mga newbies, please only trade 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. So for example, you want to trade this setup, na-identify na natin, okay, merong 280 pips na to. Kaya lang 100 lang yung fund ko. Paano ako magte-trade? Eh kapag nag 0.01 ako standard, that's $28. Pasok ba yun sa risk only 1 to 2%? Kahit nga sa 10%, hindi. So,
That is
ano,
why goes just to highlight $100, if you're gonna be losing 28, definitely 28% of your capital. So meaning hindi ka mag sa standard lot.
hindi
That
ka
is
pwede
the goal.
mag-standard lot. Because 0.01 lot size, ibig sabihin yan, you are trading 1,000 units. So, if you want to take this setup, you have to use a cent account. And napakaswerte natin kasi dito sa Philippines, we have a cent account. Sa abroad, wala. So, kapag nag-cent account ka, 0.01 standard lot is equal to 1.00 sa cent. 1.00 cent lot is equal to 1,000 units. So,
Tama
yan.
ba, tama ba intindi ko, coach? Ganyan lang yung simple, right? Kapag sa cent account ka, instead 2.8 USD, 28 USD,
0.10.
magiging 2.8 USD lang yung talo mo, which is pasok sa 2%, 2 to 3%.
Yeah, kapag
Tama
gusto
ba?
mong
Kasi
2 pag gusto mong 2.8 USD lang ang talo mo, so magmo-move ka ng 1 decimal, 'di ba? So sa standard lot, katumbas nun 0.001. Yan, 0.001. Kaya lang wala tayong tatlong decimal. Kaya ang gagawin mo, 0.10. Yeah, 0.10 cent lot. Para lang mas madali rin nilang magkaroon sila ng idea, you can go dun sa trading, ano yun, baby pips calculator. Yeah. Kasi, yun. Yeah, position size calculator. So, sa mga newbies, you can use this calculator. For example, yan, 100, tapos risk mo, kung ilang percent, and then stop loss to 80. Kaya, importante yung step na to. You need to know how much is the stop loss pips. So, yan, nakita mo, di ba? You have to trade 0.10 micro lot or cent lot. Kasi hindi ka po pwedeng mag-standard. So, kung ang risk mo is 1% lang, 5, yan. It depends. Lot size depends on your risk per trade. So, kung 1% ang risk mo per trade, dapat $1 lang ang pwede mong matalo kung may $100 ka. Kung high risk ka, gusto mo 10%, sige, testing natin, 10%. Hindi ka pa rin pwedeng mag-standard lot, di ba? 0.003 standard lang dapat to have at 357 units. So, what you can do sa ganyang setup, you can trade 0.35 cent lot. So, it depends kung you are willing to risk $10, 0.35. If ayaw mo ng $10, masakit sa bulsa, change your lot size. So, it should be only 2% 1 to 2% if you're just a new.
So, napakaganda, no? Imagine mo nagkakaroon ka ngayon ng idea kung paano mag-calculate sa goal. So, ibig sabihin, if you have 100 capital and if you plot your trade, this is how important trading plan is. Because when you plan, you already have the idea upfront that, okay, if I will enter on the first trade, I'm willing to lose 64 USD on my first try. Are you willing? If the answer is no, then no, don't enter the trade at that level. Now you have to wait for your second trade to be activated, which is what I do. The second one is on this level. So am I willing to risk $28? If my capital permits that it's $28 and I'm fine with it, then yeah, why not? Because I believe that my reward is way bigger than my risk. And if as I enter this, as you see, it did not even give me a drawdown. it's a full completely positive trade for me, coach. And yeah, for me, I'm fine risking 28, but actually I don't enter 0.01, so I do enter 0.02 minimum. So I can do partial closure of my trade. What's partial closure? It's just basically, let's say if I reach 100 pip, I will close 0.01 and the remaining 0.01, I will let it run. And right now in this scenario, actually, I'm already having a runner. So my 0.01 is running now. So let's see. I'm excited, coach, up until where I will have my runner because I enter on the second trade. So let's see until where. Oh, by the way, what will happen to the runner? So normally when we reach 100 pips, then I will put my stop loss above my entry point. Is that possible? Yes. See, it is possible. Meaning, oh, this one cannot. So meaning my
This
stop loss will be in this area already. Let me just highlight it green. This area already. Let's like highlight it green. So that is my stop loss. So meaning my stop loss is above my entry level. What that mean? I'm a risk-free trade, meaning no matter what happened, whether it reached this green line or not, my green line will give me $1, positive $1. And if it did not reach, then I'm fully in profit. Let's see how many profit I'm getting now. I'm rich, coach. No, not yet rich, but the point is I'm completely in profit. As you see, how many days have passed and my trade running, completely running. And now I see, coach, that the line that these yellow lines are previous resistance line. I'm just waiting for this resistance line or a break of structure to done. Then that way, I can happily move up my SL. Maybe on the same risk, maybe just a little bit here. Let's see, coach, up until where I'm getting. I'm very excited to see. Okay.
signal.
Not yet, coach. I'm still
Ah,
alive.
again.
Okay.
SL hit.
Not SL hit, coach. Actually, yeah, in a
Stop
sense,
loss
but
hit.
you didn't lose, but yes, you put your SL in this level. If you think that's the reason why you should all know when you will move your SL. As I mentioned earlier, you will only move your SL if you see any break of structure or something, right? But in this scenario, we don't have break of structure, and that's why initially I put my SL until here. But in case you move up here, this green line, you move the green line here, no worries how much you earn. You still earning on this, coach, because you enter 2470, right? And right now it's 2490. So it's like 200 pips above. So meaning I'm still positive $20 when this trade, I'm still happy with it, right? But if you are really good, actually you should not uh trail or you should not put up your SL yet. Why? Because you still see that this one, your resistance line, there's possibility that it can be reached because of this fair value gap. Because price always goes to the fair value gap. Fair value gap attracts the price. And that's how important it is for you to understand where you have to put your SL. But regardless, on this trade, coach, I win. I win a lot already. I win almost like maximum of 300, a minimum of 300 pips, right? Because it increased my SL to 200 pips above my entry point on, and then I already take partial on the first 100 pips. Then basically I win 300 pips. I win $30. If my volume is 0.01, right? Yeah, but I have a volume of 0.02, then it's a little bit more than that. But yeah, I hope this is a very nice back testing. So just imagine you really don't need money to see your potential. You can do back testing and you can place your trade like what we did on this activity, and you will learn that Are you understanding the chart? And at the same time, when you enter this, you can already do your trading journal. Your trading journal will see also that, okay, how much did you win? How much did you lose? Why you enter the trade? Then this is like one solution if you don't have money yet, but you're willing to trade. You can study, you can use TradingView, you can do this replay, the back testing, then you can see whether did the plan work, did your plan work, how much accurate you are. I mean, the accuracy itself, if you see after you do your journal, you log your trades and you see that you're actually 70% correct or 80% correct. Oh my God, 80% correct, coach. That's a very good thing already, meaning you're going to be winning when you put your trade for sure. So, yeah, I hope that, coach, you're on mute.
Sorry.
You are
So,
on mute.
i-add ko lang doon yung you've mentioned about the journal. So, for example, na na-hit na yung TP mo or SL mo, you take a screenshot of that trade by, asan na ba yung ano mo? Screenshot. Nakita ko kanina upper right corner of your screen. Take a screenshot nung iyong setup sa upper right corner ng screen mo.
Ito, coach, take a snapshot dito sa taas. Yung camera icon.
Hindi ko kita, sorry, naka-zoom out yata. Hindi ko kita sa, ayun. So, click mo lang yan, naka-zoom out pala. So, pag click mo yan, sige, go. And then, copy link. Copy image, pwede mo i-download or copy link. And then, i-record mo yung link na yan doon sa journal. Yan. Kung meron ka journal, meron ka bang journal dyan na naka-open or yung growth plan? So, ganun siya mag-backtest. For example, nag-replay ka, tapos nag-test ka ng strategy mo, kunin mo yung link ng setup na yan, tapos i-paste mo sa journal. So, you don't have to trade actual setup sa real account. You can use TradingView to do the backtest and see if mataas ba yung winning rate ng strategy na dinedevelop mo or yung analysis mo. So, let's see, tignan natin kung hindi niya minove yung stop loss, kung mahihit ba yung first
Yes,
niya.
actually, yan yung I want to know if in case I have not moved my stop loss yet. Near the
Bounce na
resistance
siya ng
line.
ilang beses. So, let's see. Ayun.
Okay, here. It hit here already.
Almost.
But if
Hindi.
you see,
Hindi na, di ba? Hindi niya na-touch, almost. So, kung imagine, kung nagtitrade ka sa totoong account, kinakabahan ka na niyan. Kasi,
nata na siya.
ayan, na-hit na.
Totoo. Pero tingnan mo naman, coach, yung journey nung trade natin. I mean, I want to also mention the journey of the trade. If you look at the journey of your trade, you enter at 2470. This is your entry level, right? This one. And then you reach a maximum height of, let's see. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Actually, nung first na na-hit niya yung resistance na to, yan yung sa left side. Di ba na-touch niya nag-create siya ng resistance sa taas. Pwede mo i-adjust yung TP mo dyan kasi we're expecting na hanggang dyan lang siya muna babalik. So,
Correct.
yun. Yung pala yun, guys. You can adjust. So, for example, yung unang resistance dyan sa box mo, yan. 2528. Kung yung una, yung setup niya masyadong mataas, and then nakita natin na nauntog dito sa around 252855 something yan. Yung una
Di
tsaka
pa
pa.
siya ito yung pangalawa. Actually, dito ka sa pangalawa.
Pwede mong i-adjust na ang TP mo is you're assuming that the price will go up until dyan sa area na yan. So, yeah, TP hit ka kapag ganun yung ginawa mo.
Yes. Actually, speaking of, bakit nga ba kasi tinatagal ko? Depende pala yun, guys, on which type of traders are you. But if you look at it, we touched that point 4 times, almost around 4 times before it even reached before it even go back down again on that resistance line. So look at it. Let's see. Wow, 2528 was the highest point of that trade. 2528 minus mo sa 2470. Meron, oh, naka-reach tayo ng 580 pips. Wow.
Speaking of,
So,
chinek ko lang yung trade ko. Sa 2.01 ko, meron akong running $25 siya, $15 profit. 0.01 lang yung iniwan ko lang kagabi. So, kung nag-point 10 ako, di mas malaki yung kita ako. Meron akong $400 na running profit ngayon. Pero syempre, niliitan ko lang yung trade ko kasi hindi ko siya natutupan. Kaya lang, mamaya share natin. Share ko yung screen ko about that. Yun. Marami bang natutunan, guys? Pa-type naman kung meron kayong natutunan. Type 1 or whatever. Kung may questions kayo, pa-type naman dyan. Sa kung saan man kayo nanonood ngayon. And by the way, please don't
mm,
forget to like and subscribe sa channels namin kay Coach Joanna sa Joanna Maambong and ako, Jenice Innocentes. And we are going to do this type of podcast, webinars, kung ano man natawag dito. So, we will focus on a certain topic and then papakita namin sa inyo live kung paano siya ina-apply. And matututunan nyo din yung mga iba pang concept. Di ba? Topic natin ngayon, fair value gaps lang, pero ang dami nyo natutunan. May backtesting session pa
dapat
kayo.
imagine testing. Wow, this is so exciting because yeah, it's very exciting. If just imagine you did it by yourself and you plot it by yourself, and then you look at how did it go, and you were on the right spot, like you win. Just imagine how excited, how elated you will be, right, Coach? Excited, happy, and you feel like confident that, oh, okay, I'm really understanding what I have to do. And the more confidence you get, of course, the more profit you will get, right? Kasi paano ka ba magiging confident, Coach? You will be confident when you're taking trades. The more you trades you take, the more confident you'll be and the more winnings you have. And definitely if you are winning more than you're losing, then that solidify your confidence right there and then. And yeah, it also solidify your earning, definitely. So this is the advantage of you really understanding where to enter. Where
Sige.
to enter.
One more
Yeah,
setup. Continue mo yung backtest. Let's find another setup using the fair value gap trading strategy. So, ganyan lang guys mag-backtest. Kahit wala kang budget
value.
pass, mga nanonood sa YouTube. Free naman ang trading view. However, limited nga lang yung feature niyan. Ang mano-mano pa lang pagba-backtest, you can move your chart
Like
slowly.
this.
Ganyan.
You
Sige,
will
patay mo yung budget
like
meal
this.
na
Look on this
papa-backtest.
side. Just look on this side, guys. And basically, just imagine we tap here. Look on the corner of your screen and manually moving it little by little. And let's say, for example, you say, oh, okay, I see this. That's not part. Let's say, okay, I see a fair value gap here. Let's see. You will think that, okay, it's still in the upward trend. Let's, in case that I enter the trade in here because this is a fair value gap. Let's maximize this. Oh, sorry. Here. No, 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 no. Until here. And let's say you put a long position on this trade, right? Because you said 50% the fair value gap. And then go to the lowest wick. This is no wick. So you go until here, right? This is your lowest wick. And then this one, you go up because here the history said that the price can still reach until there. Let's just go until there. Yeah, like this is your plan. If you are using a free version of TradingView, you don't have this replay button because this is for the paid version. But if you are on the free version, even though you don't have replay, you just do it like this and then manually move your chart and see did it reach there, did it reach your TP or did it reach your SL? Let's watch. Oh, by the way, this is very wow. TP hit, coach. Congratulations. You
Congratulations.
TP hit actually. So just imagine how many pips you get again from 2558 now. Let's calculate. 2528 minus mo yung entry point per entry point is 2484.
Small. 443 pics. Ayun no. Small. Ayun na sa
Ay, oo nga. Ito kasi ginagamit kasi nga magaling ako mag-calculate. Wow.
Oh, di ba? Ako kasi, ba't mo pa pahihirapan? May mga tools naman. So, ayun, kita niyo sa taas, 143.
Oh, 400, nakita mo 44.38. I-ano mo lang yan, tanggalin mo lang yung dalawa sa dulo. So, meron kang 443 pips. Yung 443 pips mo, gawin mo lang din yung gawin mo lang din yung,
Hindi.
divide mo lang din yan
Yung,
ng,
yung
100.
44, yung
44.
44.38, ano siya, yun yung, pag sinubtract mo yung entry, tsaka,
Yes.
exit. But, yung pips, yung count, makikita mo dun sa taas, up, sa taas. Yan, yan. 4438.8 points. Tapos kapag i-convert mo ng pips, move mo ng decimal,
Huwag ka
443.
lang na isang,
Yan. So, yung
or
left
you're
side, yan
earning
yung difference ng
44.
entry tsaka exit.
And you're earning $44 on a 0.01 volume. And that is 0.01, coach, $44. Imagine, oh, so we have 2-0 na ako, coach. I have
Yay!
2 wins. We have 2 wins already on this call. So, yeah, so this is how you're gonna do it. And yeah, if you
Pinit
want to
ko
have
lang
a
ulit yung yung ika-copy mo yung link sa journal mo. So, ganun mag-backtest. Kailangan maka at least 100 setups ka to identify ilang percent ang winning rate mo for that specific strategy.
so at least 2-0 na tayo, coach. So let's continue again. Let's continue again. And this is you considering you don't have a runner. Just imagine if you have a runner and you increase 1,000 pips. And look at it, coach, maybe just one point. If you enter on 2484, right? This is your entry point, right? This is your entry point. For example, the green line. Let's decrease this green line a little bit. So you know that this is your entry point, the green line. So right now you can either do TP hit and meaning you close the whole trade, or if you want to be a millionaire in trading, you leave a runner behind. So you just close 0.01 and then now you still have a runner. If you have a runner, meaning there's still 0.01 left running. Great.
Speaking of runner,
We
hindi
see
pa
that
sa nila gets yung runner. Can you explain
one.
further about the runner? So, malamang may mga hindi nakaka-relate sa runner.
Okay. Runner is just because as they said, trading is a marathon, right? So dapat may runner ka talaga. So let's say for example, you open a trade here and you open 0.02 and your TP, you are very patient, meaning you believe that the price will go up here. Some people will just get their TP here. The first, kung 84 to 94, so this is where they're gonna do their T1. This is T1, first 100 pips. If you are patient enough to wait for TP1 for 100 pips. And when it reaches 100 pips, meaning you have $10. Oh, that's 0.02. Meron kang 220 USD right now when it reached TP1. But you believe that the price can still go up until here. And this one is actually 400 pips. So either you wait for the first 100 pips, you partial closure yung tawag dito. 0.02 yung initial trade mo. Initial trade is 0.02. When it reach 100 pips, depende sa rule mo yan, either you can do 100 pips, 200 pips, 40 pips, up to you. But for me, let's say I do minimum 100 pips. in the first 100 pips, I will remove 0.01. Meaning, kukunin ko na yung kalahati ng profit na to. So I will withdraw 0.01 sa 0.02. So meaning, I will bank in 10 USD already, and my remaining trade is 0.01, and it's running. So 10 USD right now, running.
Para
So here,
sa mga swing traders 'to guys, ha. So, siyempre kanya-kanya tayong strategies. That's why you have to identify what type of trader are you. So, itong strategy na 'to is for those who want to do swing trading and position trading. Like you can leave your runners running for months or a year.
yes, correct. That's why it also depends on, yeah, that's a coach said, right? If scalper ka lang, definitely 400 pips will only give you 44 USD or 80, 88 USD if you have 0.02. At yun ay kung nag-intay ka. But you also need to understand how many hours did it took coach to go there, right? Kasi if yung candle natin yun is per hour to, one candle is 1 hour, imagine. May mga tao kasi hindi kaya yung yung patient na ganun, right? So it depends on what type of trader you are. But for me, I'm fine with it, and that's why my strategy is like this. But for you, if you're happy with $100, 100 pips, then you can close your trade 100 pips. Or some people are happy with 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, right? Yeah, you can close. Definitely you can close. But if you want to be a millionaire on trading, then you need to learn how millionaire does it, and this is how they do it. So if you're interested, then might as well try and be patient with your trading. And yeah, this is the exciting part, coach. I really want to capitalize this break
Yeah.
of structure here. So this will make your profit
Tingin ko
even
lang,
more.
for
Mhm.
example, nakakita ka ng ganyang setup sa 1 hour time frame, may fair value gap. And ayaw mo maghintay ng ganito katagal na setup, ganito katagal bago ma-hit yung TP, pwede mong gawin is to base your initial, tawag doon, yung pag-a-analyze mo dyan sa 1 hour time frame. So, and then look for potential entry sa lower time frame, pwedeng 15 minutes, para at least yung support and resistance levels is um, mas mabababa yung SL sa TP. So, yan.
Okay, then let's just try to do that, coach.
Yan.
Let's try.
Go down to
So
low time frame.
this is your, yeah. Then you go down
Para to sa
to,
recent, fair value gap na nakita natin. Ito na, yung recent. Sige, sa H1,
yung
di ba yun?
wait lang. So of structure na tayo, coach, dito.
Yeah. So, kunwari, yan yung nakita natin, paano natin i-analyze yung ganyan, di ba? We saw a fair value gap. So, paano dapat sila papasok pag nakakita sila ng ganitong scenario?
They see a fair value gap na higher time frame. Sorry. If they see a fair value gap on higher time frame, so this is your potential, right? Then now you go to a lower time frame. You maximize this. So that is your potential buy there, 25.38, example. Still no fair value gap at this point. You still go down until you reach 5 minutes, right, coach? So, okay.
Ano, ang daming fair value
Because the
gamitan. Nakikita niyo
yeah,
ba guys, di ba? Binabalikan talaga, tapos nag-react after filling the gap. Kagaya yung sa gitna. See?
eto 'di ba? Ito yung kanina na ito yun eh, yung kanina natin na na fair value gap yung nandito. Wait lang, coach. Balik lang tayo sa ito yun, 'di ba?
Yep.
Wait lang. Ito yun, 1 hour. Sa 1 hour, ayun. So, ibig sabihin, kung mag-e-enter ka ng trade here, let's try to enter a trade here. Oh, not yet. We have not entered the trade in here yet. This one, let's go 30, 30. Sa 30, may fair value gap. Ito lang, nasa
Then,
baba pa siya.
adjust mo na yung entry mo doon sa 30.
Sige. Okay,
May,
sure. Hindi, in-adjust ko to, bababa to coach dito.
ayun nga, or dalawang potential entry pala. I mean, sorry. You can plot para lang yun yung possible na pwede mong pasukan. So, yan, ito yung technical analysis guys sa trading. So, hindi to gambling. Nakikita nyo naman yung mga ginagawa natin, di ba? So, we are using price action, yung history, kung ano yung mga nangyayari. At least dito, na-enhance yung skills nyo sa pag-analyze. Unlike yung mga nauuso ngayon, alam mo yung scatter, naririnig ko lang siya. Yung mga online
Hmm.
gambling. Imagine, yung online gambling legal pero yung ganito, hindi regulated sa Philippines. Konti lang tuloy yung nakakaalam. Kaya we're doing this series para ma-appreciate nyo guys na yung trading, it's not gambling. Hindi to kagaya ng mga online casinos. Trading is ginagamit to, ginagawa to ng mga bangko, government, institutions, na why not gawin din natin, di ba? Kailangan nyo lang aral. So, yan.
Okay, ito nakalat na. So in a 15-minute time frame, we see an FVG above our 1 hour FVG. So dito sa 15, so in short, meron kang dalawang potential dito, yung 1 hour tsaka yung 15-minute na FVG. Normally, we will go for the 50%, right? So this is the second pink line. And then, dito kasi nag-break na siya, right? So iintayin mo, yun meron kang buy limit. Buy limit is a pending order that you will plot ahead of time thinking that if the price come back on the 50% of this fair value gap, you have a buy position. And this is your buy position. So meaning, nag-set ka na ngayon yun ng buy order for this. And exactly this candle here go touch the 50% of that, and that activates our trade. And of course, your SL, where is your SL now? Then you have to have the lowest wick actually, coach. Lowest wick is far. You either go above this resistance line or you go way below resistance line. It depends on risk, how riskier you are. But right now, coach, where do you want to put our SL? Kung iti-take mo tong trade na to.
Doon sa, yan, dyan. Kasi doon sa fair value gap, lowest week no candle, kung saan ka nagsimula ng, yan yung
Here?
fair, hindi, yung una yung candle niya, yan.
Here. Just above or you want to
Kaya
be the
lang,
resistance?
I think merong fair value gap parang kasi. Kaya lang, na-feel naman na niya. Ayun, na-feel na niya eh. So, probably, yan, ganyan. Kasi, previously, yung support niya is around that area. Kung saan mo pinlat, nakikita nyo, yung dating resistance is now the support. So, pwedeng yun yung gawin yung basehan, yung support. Okay? Or below the
Correct.
support. Babaan mo pa ng kaunti pa. Pwedeng ganun. Or just sa support.
I
Okay?
fine. I think this is fine because napakalaki na to kung magko-compute ka ulit ng iyong ano, napakalaki na niyan. How many is this? $19. Negative $19 if in case. It'll if in case it hit your SL, since your target is 19 point, nasa taas naman no, 19.58. So meaning nasa 19.5, around $20 yung SL mo in case na ma-hit yung SL mo. Wait lang. $20 nasa baba pala yung bet. 20.22. So meaning around $20, 20 in case na ma-hit. If you're fine with that, then yeah, put your S there because basically you are protecting yourself in case na it touched the previous resistance line, you're still alive. If it goes down again to the 50% of that below FVG here, you're still alive until 100% of the FVG. And you put your trade a little bit a little bit more longer than the lowest wick, right? So yeah, we go here. And for your TP,
Meron
since
ako
you know up
isisingit.
there,
Meron ako
mhm,
isisingit. Speaking of TP, mahirap mag-identify sa ng TP o na trending, di ba? Saan hanggang saan ba? Kasi tuktok na yan eh. So, isisingit ko dyan si Fibonacci, retracement. Fibonacci extension. Yan. Fibonacci, yan. So, i-plot mo
saan mo gusto
dyan sa baba, yung swing low, yung pinakababa. Yung no, yung pinakadulo, yan. Yan. And then,
out
yung,
lang?
iba na
Wait,
yung Fibonacci mo pala.
wait. Yes, yes. Don't you worry. I will. Oh my God. You will just need to turn on everything. I just didn't turn it on because it become colorful. Hold on. We need to just turn on everything here.
So, yun guys, yung Fibonacci retracement, pwede mo i-customize kung ano yung gusto mo makita. But, ibig sabihin lang ng mga points na yan, dyan possible mag-bounce or mag-retrace yung mga price. Yan yung based on Fibonacci. So, Fibonacci is, ano yan, hindi lang sa chart yan na-apply. Pati sa mukha, may Fibonacci na
Wow.
sukat-sukat. Diba?
Imagine how purple it is. Just give me a moment, guys. Oh my, oh no.
De, pwede mo
Teka,
babaan na lang yung tawag nito. Ang dami. Pwede mong babaan yung tawag nito, transparency. Tsaka pwede mo nang i-off yung mga malalayo, yung 300%, ganun. But anyway, sige.
sige.
Pwede na yan. I-drag mo lang pataas, i-Fibonacci.
Ayaw niyang mag-drop. Wait lang, folks. Ayaw.
Hayaan mo na yung nasa baba. Or kung
Hindi.
kaya mo siyang i-off para di ka malito. Huwag
Ayan.
mo lang pakita yung sa baba, yung mga yan. Yung mga three.
Ito?
Oo, yung masyadong malalayo. Yan, okay na yan. Sige.
Until here?
Ayan. So, pwede na yan. So, tawag nito, yan, pataas.
Oh my God.
O,
Very colorful. Hold on, everyone.
hindi
This
kasi,
is the reason why I off most of it because of it. So hold on. So
pwede
here,
yung
right?
i-plot mo yung dulo, yan, yung first point, yan, sa swing low, and then drag it up. Go, push. Sige, pwedeng, yung 38%, yan yung nasa tuktok. So, current swing high, yan. Up, yan, ganyan. So, i-drag mo siya pa-right. Yan. And then, make sure na natatouch ng kahit anong line dyan, pwedeng nung 50% or 38% yung dulo. Baba pa. Baba. Up. Na. Taas pa. Up. Yan. Yung 50% should touch the swing high. I-touch mo. Yung, i-drag mo pa paunti. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, by dragging the Fibonacci retracement or extension, ang possible na next TP mo is either yung 38%, which is 257, yan. Tsaka yung next
7-2.
is yung 2610. So, yun yung purpose ni Fibonacci retracement.
Ito yung
Para,
sinasabi nilang all-time high.
yeah,
Kapag kayo na, potential all-time high natin.
yes,
Ayan.
yun.
Potential highest point is like that.
Sige,
And then pwede dito sa susunod na
yeah.
level.
And let's see kung talaga bang pumunta ang presyo dyan. Tingnan natin kung maglalaro ba.
O
Siguro yung
sige.
ano mo, yung Fibonacci retracement mo na yan, pwede mong babaan yung transparency para hindi ka masyadong magulat.
Amazed, no? Kapag ka masyadong amazed na ang saya-saya nila dito. Wait lang. Transparency.
Kumain ka na ba? Kain tayo adobo. Style yan. Saan na ba
Diba,
yung
coach?
transparency style? Nasa style yun. Go down. Yan. Babaan mo yung transparency. Sige, go. Yan, para kung anong okay sa'yo.
Sige, ganyan muna. Pero tatanggalin ko ulit yan kasi napaka-colorful niya.
So, sa
So,
mga, kapag kasi nakapagsulat ka na ng mga support and resistance mo. Pero if, for example, you will trade based on Fibonacci lang, ah, yan yung use niya. Very help.
okay.
Ginagamit to ng mga swing traders, day traders, yan. Kasi nagkaka-idea ka hanggang saan potential abutin ng price. So, kung ipi-play mo ulit yung chart, tignan natin kung anong mangyayari.
I-ulit natin kasi na ano naman natin, na-plot naman natin yung pinaka-highest at yung susunod na highest. So, pwede natin lagay dito yung pinaka-TP mo for example na.
Okay,
So,
balik.
ayan, let's watch
Tipid
our
mo.
trade again. So, nag-enter. Nag-enter tayo sa 50% ng 15-minute na FVG. Okay. Up. Okay. It
See?
hit. Coach, 3-0 na tayo ngayon. Amazing. 3-0 na tayo.
So, kung mag-iwan ka ng runner papunta dun sa next na level mo,
It's
or
260.
nag-enter ka ng trade dyan sa second fair value gap, diba? Yeah, or hinayaan mo lang mag-run. Tignan natin kung mahihit si TP2.
Wait lang ah. Baka
Ito
kasi
yung
akala nila wait. Coach. I-mention din naman natin ito. Yung TP1 natin ay napakalaki, coach. Mukha siyang maliit. 2570 na naman to. 2572. Minus mo yung endpoint natin na 2542.
ayan.
Equals,
Manual
wow, 300.
calculate si Coach Joanna.
Ay, ako na naman ba? Sabi ko sa iyo, galing ko talaga. Exactly.
Ayun na,
Wait lang.
300 pips.
O, di ba ang anggal ko, 300 views. Sabi ko sa iyo,
White
coach.
pips. Ayun na, nakikita
Sabi
niyo
ko
ulit
sa iyo,
guys sa taas. 3,
sa taas.
3,008 points is equal to 300.8 pips per gold.
Which is $30. Pips is equal to $30 on a 0.01 USD. O, di ba ganun ko siya kakabisado? Sabi ko sa'yo, coach, sanay talaga ako nagko-compute. O, ayan. So, imaginein mo, 300 pips yung TP1 natin, coach. Imagine mo, sa totoong buhay, marami dyan, wala pang 100 pips, nagko-close na ng trade. So, okay. So, ang TP1 mo, hey, wow, just imagine lang. So, kasi ito talaga kailangan niya ng patience, guys. Imagine, patience talaga bago ka makahit niya. Kaya yung iba, they don't even need to wait 300 pips. On the first 100 pips, ano na sila, cut na sila ng 0.01. At least, kaya pag gusto niyo mag-partial, if you wanna take your partial, then might as well do 0.02. Kasi sa 0.02 lang pwedeng magkaroon ng partial closure. And in this level, if it's 0.02 yung taya nyo, then that will be 60 USD already. And if you wanna remove or withdraw the first 0.01, then you will take profit the first 30 USD, and you have a runner, meaning you have a runner which is the open trade, which is your open trade na running 30 USD as well. So, example
What?
lang. So, ayan,
Before,
let's
before
continue on.
sila mag-decide sa ganyan lot size, balikan ulit natin si SL Pips. Ilan yung SL natin doon?
Oh, okay, let's just go back to that. Let's
Bago
have fun
nyo,
with it.
bago kayo masilaw sa posibleng profit, again, babalik tayo dito. We have 221 SL Pips. So, if you go
Yes.
to the position size calculator, so, kapag 100 lang yung fund mo, 1%, sige, 1 lang, or 2. Yan.
Gawin natin two, coach.
So, you can use scent lot. If you can still apply yung runner na sinasabi, kasi sa scent lot, kung 0.09 yung scent lot mo, pwede kang mag-iway, gawin mo 0.05, 0.03. Yun nga lang, maliit yung kita mo. Kasi
Advantage.
Oo. So, that's why we're recommending kung gusto niyo po yung mas malaking kita, at least 500 yung balance man lang. So, kunwari, 500. Try nga natin. Um, Hindi pa rin kaya. Pero kung you're not willing to risk 20, tawag na to, if you're willing to risk $10, dapat 0.45 cent lot. So, kung gagawin mo, risk mo is 5% per trade, try mo 5%. Ayan, pwede ka mag 0.01. So, you will lose 25 USD if ma-hit yun.
Pero kapag naka 0.01 ka lang, you cannot do partial,
You
coach.
cannot do partial. So, yun.
Meaning, you have to close your trade completely because you cannot do partial at all. So that's the reason why it depends on what type of trader are you. If you're a scalper, you don't need to think about partial because normally scalper is quick trade, quick in, quick out. So they will just get the profit right there and then. So yeah.
So, kung gusto niyo mag-take partial, kahit small fund niyo, don't worry, kaya may cent account. At least,
Yeah.
practice nyo, makapag-trade sa mga mahahaba yung SL without risking too much of your capital.
Then, so ibig sabihin, if it's a cent account, then how much
One,
is it? In short, ganito
one,
lang yan. Bigyan ng isang decimal point. So if your potential loss in a standard account for 0.01 volume is 25 USD, if you go by cent account, then that would only cost you around 2.5 USD. And similarly, kung ganyan din naman ang loss, so let's say for example for this, if you're already running 300 pips and you on a cent account for 0.01, then just put one decimal point and that will be 3 USD. You win 3 USD for your first 0.01. And then, sabi nga dito sa baby pips, if you're gonna go by that, then you can put 0.10 or 1.1. Ibig sabihin nito, pwede ka mag-partial doon sa cent account. Yeah. Okay.
yun.
Sorry, I opened.
Kaya natin,
Okay, so now let's
for
running.
SL, let's see.
Oh, amazing. This kind of thing is amazing, guys. When your previous resistance become the support, that is the break of structure, and that means it's a new era for gold, meaning it's a new high for gold, right? So meaning new profit dun sa runner mo. Let's see. Amazing. Now, our previous resistance line, the ceiling, is now the floor. It's the support. And as you can see, it never go back down. So meaning you are running in profits right now. How much profits will depend on how much patience you have.
Muntik na.
Not yet, not yet. We're still live. Oh, coach, this one is not even RSL. This is just RTP line. RSL is still down here. So normally, if we hit one, what you should do is you should move your SL above your entry point for a risk-free trade. So meaning your SL should be moved around here. Let's change it to orange. So that is your SL. Your TP1 is the green line. So now you can hold on. Let's go over there. So meaning it's very big of a gap already. If you think that the price will not pass this anymore, you can even go more profit like until here. It depends on you, but of course you need to think where you cannot put this SL randomly, guys. It like okay, I want to earn $20 or I want to secure $20. Yeah, you can do that, but basically your SL is the orange line, so you can put your SL, let's say here, just say here. So let's try to let it run again and see. Mhm. How many days have passed? Just imagine it's a 15-minute candle, so it passed that TP1, but it still go up again. It's just now touching that line. Now, when it touched the line, you need to check why it's touching the line. You need to check whether do we have any FVG around that is attracting the price to go down, because the more that you go, the more structure you will also be getting. So meaning your previous analysis will be outdated already and you need to analyze more. And that's the reason why that's where you will decide whether do you want to put your stop loss to where it will not be hit or just put it down. Yeah, this is how basically you identifying your stop loss is just you identifying how much profit you want to get, because it's all about profit now. It you pass the negative SL already. It's a positive SL means you are already above profit on this side. So let's just continue. See whether it would hit our SL or not. See, coach, every candle is 15 minutes, and you see how many days have passed for this. And that's the reason why they said trading is a marathon and it requires patience. It really will pays you off if you look at it in the long run. But if you're not that kind of trader, then no worries. There are different types of trader. You have can be a day trader, a scalper. This one, it's more of a day going to swing trader. They are the people who has more capital, right?
Swing
Because
trader siya.
along this
Yep.
swing na siya.
Day trader
So
kasi is hindi sila nag-iiwan ng trade overnight. So, kung ano man yung result for that day, done na siya. Either win or lose. So, yun yung mga day traders. So, for this, siya, swing and position traders. Kaya, assess yourself.
just very
Do back test. Diyan yung makikita kung may patience ba kayo maghintay ng ganyang katagal? Na-imagine niyo na yung emotion if you are on that rate, parang gusto mo na
whole
i-close.
day ka bothered, no? Whole day ka titingin sa chart. And not whole day that you really need to sit down in front of your computer or looking at your phone, but just like you have that in your mind that I have an open trade. If that is fine with you, then that's okay, right? If we are on this position, you should not worry on this anymore because you are already in profit for this particular trade. We are already in profit. So regardless whether it still go up, it's more profit. If it hit the orange line, it's still a profit for you. So in this kind of scenario, regardless whether it's still up or down, you win already. But yeah, the patience should be there. And of course, in the first place, you should understand how you even enter the trade. Because if you don't know where or when to enter the trade, then this kind of potential, you will not get it. Because it might hit your SL first, right? That's why it's very important for you to, let's say for the people who enter on TP1, I don't know, let just imagine you enter in TP1 and you did not foresee this line here, this line. If you only put your SL on the same line, because you see that every time it reached that line, let's just magnify this. Every time that it reached that line, it bounce up, it bounce, it hit, it bounce, it go down, it hit, it bounce, and you think, oh, okay, let me just enter again here and let me put my SL on the same line. If you don't have enough buffer, you out already on this one. So yeah, I hope that everyone is understanding, is learning on when to trade, what to trade up until where my SL is. And if in case am I willing to lose that amount of money if I go for that trade or not. I hope that they can see how important the technical analysis is, meaning what you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, please find someone that can teach you on this. Like, don't do it alone, because definitely if you're doing it alone and you're not understanding what you're doing, then basically you're just doomed to fail, right? You will be losing a lot of money, and that's not a fun experience. I've been there. It's not a happy experience at all. So if you are new to trading, then yeah, welcome. We're here to teach you. If you are not yet into trading but you're interested to trading, then reach out with us as well. We'll be happy to teach you on how to do this. But basically, here we just want you to understand on how to analyze the graph and what are the things that you can consider, what are the confluences that you can use to know when to enter and up until where is your SL. I hope that is also clear. And I think, Coach, we have a very good example of calculating pips here and potential profit and potential loss as well. And so far for all these, for our session today, we take three trade, Coach, and we win three trades so far. So that is a very well done for everyone. And I hope that everyone really learned a lot today. I mean, we can definitely let it run, but I believe that it will still go up. Mm.
So, siguro tignan natin yung actual, ano, ay, uy, nag-spike up.
Okay.
Tignan natin yung
Masyado.
actual.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Kasi itong orange, ito lang, if ever na nag-enter ka, we should not the case for us, right? And this orange here, this green is the T1. Okay. So, ito yung minove mo na yung SL mo to higher, to a higher SL. Meaning, profit ka na rin naman dito, coach. But in this point, you can either be taken out already. Kaya nga, di ba sabi natin kanina, it's very important if you're gonna be moving your SL above your entry point, please make sure, please find a place where it will not be hit. The reason why this one is because of this FVG. We have a fair value gap here, right? So meaning you putting your SL there is not a good decision because it has a fair value gap on this side, which price can go back to. So either puput mo muna talaga siya dito, or if you're fine with that, if you're fine with whatever profit you will get if in case this orange line is it, then you take profit already as well. Because how much is that already, coach? Is you see, we enter at where we enter here, right? 242, and this is 2552. So it's around 100 pips also. So you still have $10. So still good, right? It's still a good. But if you are fine, you can just put it above your entry point. And if you just keep doing that, you see it just passed that FVG here with this line and it go up again. So if you did not move your orange line or your SL on that FVG area, your trade is still alive. And now from $10, you're flying up there. You are flying up, my friend. How many pips is
Nakikita niyo
this
guys,
already?
binabalikan yung fair value gaps. Doon siya nagre-react. So, sa mga scalpers, yun yung mga potential na pwede nilang pasukan. Uh, kahit na meron ka naka-hold na isang trade, ayun, malapit ka na TP. Ayun, TP hit na, di ba?
Yes, everyone. So absolutely we win this
No.
trade again. So yeah, I'm very happy that we were able to at least give them the idea on how to do back testing. I think coach napaka-productive na ng ating session for today.
Yeah.
And meron bang mga tanong sa chat natin so far?
Yeah, baka may questions sa'yo. Or baka gusto nila malaman yung analysis natin sa current setup ni gold. At si ano na bang price ni gold ngayon?
Okay, let's just refresh this because I want to see also I have pending orders as well. So let's just stop this. Wait, don't close out. Let's close this. Yeah, we will want to. Let's refresh. And let's just delete everything here. Okay. Oh,
Nasa taas na
we're
si
nasa taas na kasi si gold. So let's see. Wow. Okay. 4 hours. Okay. So this line is the current all-time high and it's still being respected. Okay, so coach, I think I hope na madami pa ding naka-tune in sa atin. Medyo humaba na yata tayo today,
Kaya
coach. Is there any questions maybe that they want us to answer, or I hope that everything is good and
may
I hope that they a lot today as well.
may tanong si Ma'am, Ami, bakit daw hindi maka-plot ng short and long position sa Light Finance? Recently na-encounter ko din 'yan, eh, hindi ko ma-plot yung long and short position dun sa chart sa Light. Kaya, I'm using TradingView. Dun tayo nagpa-plot or sa Manara. So, wala namang question so far. Sa mga nanonood, feel free to chat lang po yung mga questions nila.
So I hope na marami silang natutunan
Setup na
today.
to, ayun o, maraming fair value gaps na malamang balikan. Diyan tayo pwedeng maghintay, mag-plot ng mga pending orders. So sa mga busy, pwede kayo maglagay ng pending orders. Pero mas maganda if maghintay kayo ng mga confirmation candle. Maganda yung 0.618 pa rin. Yung kahit 0.618 tsaka 38, yan.
Points
Yan.
tsaka
Yan. Ano siya? Ah, tawag ito? Magandang area siya.
talaga ba po?
Check mo sa lower time frame. Makikita mo, pag pinlock mo yung Fibonacci, makikita mo kung paano nag-bounce sa mga levels na yan.
Ah, okay.
Ah,
Noted.
okay. Sorry. Yung sinabi ko, that's for kapag magsusukat ka ng chart, support resistance. Pero kapag fair value gap, 50%.
Okay. So I guess coach, if there's no other question, I hope na maraming natutunan yung mga viewers natin today for for today's session.
Sample setup lang dyan. If you will, magpa-plot ka ng entry dyan. Again, balikan nyo lang yung sinabi namin. I-plot nyo yung long position, no the SL, tapos calculate nyo yung position size. So, ayun.
Yes, correct. Wait lang, 05. Tanggalin ko lang to. Kasi, natanggal to. Okay. Now it come back from where it was before.
Mukhang kailangan ko na rin magpaalam at ito ay nagmamutol na. May
So
limit
na,
kasi
yeah,
ako eh.
already. So I hope that everybody learned a lot for today's session. And if in case you guys have any questions, you can reach us to our to Facebook, to our social media, or even in YouTube as well. You can contact us. Our IDs are posted in the cover photo of this podcast. So feel free to reach us para to some if ever you have any questions, or if you want to learn about trading as well, or if you want to join our community. It's fun if you are in a community that supports you to grow. So yeah, feel free to let us know. And yeah, thank you so much, coach. How about you?
Thank you so much. Hindi ko na patatagalin dahil umiyak na 'to. See you on Thursday kasi every Tuesdays and Thursdays we will be doing sessions like this. So minsan nade-delay kami 11:30, 11:45, 12. Yan yung possible na start namin, but we're trying to start ng 11:30. Medyo alam niyo naman, medyo mahirap lang kasi magbe-baby kaya tina-target namin at least mga 11:30. So, yun, regular namin yan gagawin. Just don't forget to subscribe and like yung video na to para ma-notify kayo if meron kaming live sa aming mga channels. So, yun lang. Thank you so much, guys. And for those students who
Yeah.
are watching, after this, mag-marathon naman kayo ng ECA. Nandoon yung mga professional traders natin. So, tonight, meron po si Donnie Taylor. Donnie, ano yun? Donnie. Basta si Donnie. Donnie Taylor.
Yeah.
Yeah, si Donnie every 8 p.m. siya Philippine time. Um, Siya yung nagtuturo ng smart money concept, institutional trading, fair value gap. Super galing niya magturo nito doon. You will learn about order blocks, mitigation. Yun. So see you. Bye.
Everyone, see you on our next podcast. Bye.